Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Silky Katanaboy 650 is probably one of the most versatile and efficient folding saws on the market, renowned for its razor-sharp Japanese teeth, lightweight yet robust design, and incredibly smooth cutting action, making it perfect for various tasks from pruning branches in your garden to tackling tougher jobs on the trail. This detailed review will explore its key features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right folding saw for your needs. Number 5. Silky GomBoy Curve Pro Folding Saw. This is the improved version of Silky's best-selling GomBoy folding saw. It's perfect for various outdoor activities. It features a 240mm curved blade with impulse-hardened teeth for efficient cutting. The blade is 1.4mm thick. It boasts an impressive cutting capacity. You'll be able to tackle various tasks with ease. It comes with a custom hard plastic carrying case, making it easy to transport and protect it. It's ideal for pruning, camping, hiking, and hunting. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Beware of thinner blades not marked professional, these are for the Japanese market only. Report any non-professional models to Amazon. What we like. It boasts a perfectly curved blade and hardened teeth for smooth cuts. If you need a compact yet powerful saw for various tasks, this is the one for you. It's ideal for pruning, camping, or any outdoor adventure where a reliable saw is essential. What people say. The blade is thicker than other brands and doesn't bend like other brands. Using one arm to saw and one arm to brace a 4.25-inch log, this saw cut it in 130 minutes, same log took 350 with my Sven saw. It's also lighter than the Sven by 30 grams, over 1 ounce, 270 gm versus 300 gm. Cuts exceptionally well and smooth. Cleans easily and stores small and compact. Number 4. Silky GomBoy Curve Pro. This is the improved version of Silky's best-selling GomBoy folding saw. It's perfect for various outdoor activities. It features a 210mm curved blade with impulse-hardened teeth for efficient cutting. The blade is 1.4mm thick. With its durable design, it offers a 4.2 cutting capacity. It's built to last. A custom hard plastic carrying case is included for safe and convenient storage and transport. It's ideal for pruning, camping, hiking, and hunting. Take it anywhere. Be sure to look for the word professional etched on the blade. Avoid thinner blades intended only for the Japanese market. Upgrade your sawing experience with this reliable and durable tool. Get yours today. What we like. This model is slightly smaller, making it even more portable. If you prioritize portability without sacrificing quality, this saw is perfect. It's great for quick pruning jobs or carrying on hikes where space is limited. What people say. Cuts 1 inch and smaller, hard and soft, branches in 3 to 5 pulls or about 5 seconds, max. Cuts 2-inch wood in about 10 to 20 seconds depending on hardness. Cuts 3-inch wood in about 30 to 40 seconds depending on hardness. The large teeth make quick work of any wood. Can use a multi-tool for fine, small, cutting, or a medium blade. It has a comfortable handle and it is super sharp and easy to use. Good quality. Number 3. Katanaboy Professional Folding Saw. This professional handsaw combines superior performance and ergonomics with a high-quality design. It's perfect for various tasks, from trail building to tree care. Its folding design and non-slip rubber handle make it easy to use and transport. The included carrying case ensures it's always protected. This saw is incredibly versatile. Use it for pruning, trimming, branch cutting, construction projects, or lawn and garden maintenance. The lightweight carbon steel blade provides smooth cuts through even the toughest materials, without getting stuck. It's far more effective than average saw blades. It features a 500mm, 2mm thick, electroless nickel-plated SK4 high-carbon steel blade with 4.2 teeth per inch. This ensures a long-lasting, high-performance tool. Experience the unmatched cutting experience of this saw, made with superior Japanese technology. Look for the professional etching to ensure authenticity. What we like. This saw is incredibly versatile and perfect for a wide range of tasks. If you're tackling larger projects or need a saw for various applications, this is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. What people say. The very aggressive teeth are an impressive piece of engineering. It is much more efficient than even a premium axe in most circumstances, making cuts through 10 limbs or trunks without me breaking a sweat. The saw's handle is comfortable enough. Since it's a pull-cut saw, most of your effort will be on the pull, so a straight handle works just fine, like a tug-of-war. If you pull by bending at your waist or even rocking back and forth on your feet, you can give your arms a nice break. Number 2. Silky Katanaboy Folding Saw. This powerful folding saw is perfect for tackling tough jobs. It's built to be the ultimate man-powered chainsaw alternative. Made from high-quality Japanese steel, it offers the perfect balance of hardness and flexibility for superior cutting performance. The electroless nickel plating ensures it's highly resistant to wear and rust, extending its lifespan. With its extra-large teeth, it cuts through branches quickly and efficiently. You'll get the job done faster. Its impressive 25.6-inch blade tackles even the thickest branches with ease. It's a true workhorse. It's ideal for trail building, ATV riding, and all your outdoor adventures. Take it anywhere. A durable nylon shoulder bag is included for easy transport and storage. It's ready when you are. Only genuine Silky Katanaboy professional saws are etched with the word professional. Report any sellers offering inferior products. What we like. It's built for heavy-duty use and can handle the toughest jobs. If you need a powerful saw for demanding tasks like trail building or heavy-duty cutting, this is your best bet. Its robust construction ensures it will last for years to come. What people say. The saw is easy to use, working almost effortlessly through logs. I bucked 2 5-foot cherry logs roughly 18 inches in diameter with it and was amazed at quickly the rounds rolled off. After nearly a year of use, I continue to give the Silky Katanaboy 655 stars. I have had zero problems with the saw, and it has proved to be highly durable. After lots of cutting work, the teeth remain razor sharp. I cut an 8-dl log across a trail with about 20 strokes. It was a dry pine as my first use. Well balanced, easy to carry in the open position. Number 1. Silky Katanaboy 650mm XL Blade. This replacement blade is perfect for your Silky Katanaboy saw. It's made with premium Japanese steel for a perfect balance of hardness and flexibility. It is made from high-quality Japanese steel, ensuring it will stand up to the toughest jobs. Experience the superior performance it offers. With its extra-large teeth, it cuts through branches quickly and efficiently. You'll get the job done faster and easier. This blade boasts a 25.6-inch length, providing a wide cutting capacity. It's ideal for tackling larger branches and trees. It has a cutting capacity of 12.8 inches. It's built to handle even the thickest branches with ease. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty against defects. This shows how confident we are in its quality and durability. Be cautious of cheaper, non-professional blades. Look for the word professional etched on the blade to ensure you're getting the genuine article. What we like. This is a replacement blade for the 650mm saw, ensuring you always have a sharp, reliable cutting edge. If you already own the 650mm saw and need a replacement, this is a must-have. It maintains the same high quality and durability as the original. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.